Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add animation in Google Sites using the updated 2026 layout. Google Sites doesn't support native motion effects, but there are a bunch of easy ways to add animated elements. You can upload an animated GIF and drop it into your page like a regular image. GIFs loop automatically, and they're great for simple icons or banners. You can also use Lottie animations. Just copy the iframe from Lottie files and embed it in Google Sites. It loads fast and looks super clean. Another option is Google Slides. Create your animations in Slides, publish the file, and embed it with an iframe so it plays directly on your page. You can also embed HTML widgets if you need advanced effects like particle animations, counters, or scrolling text. Preview your page to make sure each animation loads correctly, then publish it when everything looks good, and that's it. That's how to add animation in Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching.